I'm going to mount that, get the lines all just buttoned up. Day, we are out here. Let me show you what I'm working on today on the Jeep. Well, let's see. I think that's where we wrapped up yesterday. Now today, I pulled the condenser for the AC from the front of the parts Jeep, and I'm going to mount that, get the lines all just buttoned up. I'm not gonna actually charge and get the system going. It should already be retrofitted, I believe. Yeah, it's got the R134, and that condenser is newer. I just want to get it all hooked up. I'm not going to replace the dryer right now. We're just going to mock it up so that I can slip the radiator in. I will kind of semi-loosely, semi-permanently install those lines so I can get them later. Not permanently, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm delirious. Then I get the radiator going, and then I think we're still waiting on the wiring loom, but we know it does crank. But from there, I'll fill it up with antifreeze. I saved it all in a bucket. Then after that, I think I'm finally going to get into cutting and welding in new floors so that I can put in my carpet kit and do some of the fun stuff. It's been waiting over there in that box for the last couple of weeks, just eyeing me up. Oh, I gotta do all the headlight harness. I gotta take out this one from the 75 and feed the new, or the 82 one through. I guess in case this is important to anybody, this is the one on the bulkhead where it comes out of the connector, and it's got like 2 grays, 2 greens, a white, and I think a red or 2 reds, depending on what year. And it just feeds right through this hole in the front clip, and then it feeds all the way through into here, and then over to the markers, and down to this light, and then it goes up along here, runs along there, and comes down here and does the same thing over here. So I gotta put that harness back together.
To new flings somewhere behind you. All of the old things that used to matter to you, used to matter to you. Leaving breadcrumbs for them all to follow. If your travel still leave you hollow, the breadcrumbs have washed away. The breadcrumbs have washed away. And you take it all in stride. Swallow up your pride. Oh, it's no shame being lonely. take it all in stride. Swallow up your pride. Oh, there's no shame in lonely. If it's what you want, take it all in stride. Swallow up your pride. There's no shame in lonely. If it's what you want. From a distance I've been looking after you. Kick myself cause I never made my move. And I come down, and I come down, and I come down, and I come down. Thought that Paris would treat you well. Hope the city lights will break the spell. And I come down, and I come down, and I come down, and I come down. Trouble in your eyes.